We link up to one girl conquer alongside Chrissa. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up with a speaker. Wow, 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 wow. Oh yeah, hey, hey, I tell them. It seems like just yesterday we were jamming with friends on a bright sunny day. But now you're gone far away. But it's so hard to find the right words to say. Cause I still can't believe that you're gone. Oh, which day that passes without you, it feels so wrong. But me have to stay strong, cause deep in my heart your memory lives on. Cause when it's all said and done, family's all that we got. A strictly love and unity, no we can't forget that. Through the thick and the thin, you always had my back. All the good times we shared, I forever treasure that.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Oh, I'd give anything to see you again, because I miss you, my friend. I can't fight these tears, no, I can't pretend. No, no, no. Yeah, you're my friend to the end. Oh, yeah. Wanna wear me now? Watch me. Cause when it's all said and done, family's all that we got. A strictly love and unity, no we can't forget that. Through the thick and the thin, you always had my back. All the good times we shared, I forever treasure that.
Let the light guide your way. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you die